Police Department. Miramar City Hall. This is the same location I did the elections video. No mask, no entry. How you doing, ma'am? Can I get a complaint form? Can I get a complaint form, please, ma'am?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Have a great day. That was very, very easy. This is a far cry from this series of investigative reports that were done in 2007 in South Florida. I have that video on my YouTube channel. If anyone wants to check it out, it's a far cry from. It's the exact opposite of what's going on now. Haven't had a trouble with any police department yet. When they haven't had the complaints, they printed them out. They did it in Miami. I'm gonna put that video up. Probably the same time I put this one up. There's only one agency that didn't have them available, and they told me I could